Feeling sleepy after eating is a common experience and is often due to a combination of factors, including the release of certain chemicals during digestion. Here's why this happens. First, let's talk about the release of serotonin. Tryptophan, an amino acid found in protein-rich foods like turkey, dairy, and eggs, plays a role in making serotonin, a neurotransmitter that regulates mood and sleep. After eating, especially meals high in carbohydrates, more tryptophan enters the brain, leading to increased production of serotonin, which can promote relaxation and drowsiness. Next, we have the insulin response. When you eat carbohydrates, your body produces insulin to help manage blood sugar levels. Insulin allows more tryptophan to enter the brain, further boosting serotonin levels and contributing to the feeling of sleepiness. After a meal, your body directs more blood to the stomach and intestines to aid in digestion. This shift in blood flow can cause less blood to reach other parts of the body, including the brain, which may make you feel more lethargic. Consuming heavy, fatty, or large meals requires more energy for digestion, causing your body to use more resources and making you feel sluggish or tired afterward. The feeling of drowsiness after eating is also known as postprandial somnolence. It's a natural response to the digestive process, especially after consuming large meals, and can make you feel sleepy. While these factors contribute to feeling sleepy after eating, individual responses may vary depending on the type of food consumed and personal metabolic factors.